just see you going, fucking this thing is slow.
Pressure's at 10.
What's that?
My oil pressure is at 10.
At 10?
When I just now pulled in.
It sounded like ugh.
It sounds like crap.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, it'll come back down.
I mean, the wheel was disappearing, and I could just. Here's what I imagined. When I was seeing it, I could just see you going, fucking this thing is slow. But every one of them.
I couldn't get off that one.
And none of them were. Yeah, none of them.
So like off the right rear you're sliding?
Three, I'm bearing full throttle, and then it just
So or
You
maybe
can drop some air pressure on it.
yeah, like half pound.
Yeah. Yeah.
Half pound
You'll
right
probably
there.
heat it up, drop some air pressure on it, and yeah, let him go at it again.
All right, we are back in the modified Marysville Raceway and the famous backstretch of Marysville during the day. Can't see nothing going down that backstretch. E-race, we start in 3rd place inside row 2. A couple guys really fast in front of me. I have no intention of passing them. Car's still not running right. Already getting hot. Oil pressure's running low. Just trying to make some laps and see what we got to do after this. Yeah, take a look at this. One of the most sketchy things going down that backstretch. Cars in front of you. Can't see anything. it's about this time I notice I'm well underpowered. I know they're not as fast as the late model, but something wasn't right. Turned out we were only running 6-7 cylinders, basically from this point on. And that'll do it for the heat race. Third place, motor's hot, oil pressure's low, not looking great. And a quick plug, I got to give a shout out to Jason Emmett for supplying us with these pit lights. They worked wonders. And here we go, it's main event time. And wouldn't you know it, I'm late to staging. Mostly all the cars are on the track already, so I'm trying to hustle through the pit area. Also trying not to get yelled at by an official to slow down. So starting on the pole for this main event is what they put me, and I decided to go to the back because the car just wasn't running right. I knew something wasn't right. We were down about a cylinder or two, but we didn't know it at the time. And car's already 210 degrees, and oil pressure's running around 20-30, so gonna make some laps, go as long as I can. Definitely don't want to hurt the motor. So here we go, 20 laps, starting shotgun on the field. Dirt track racing for you. I already lost my GoPro for the main event, and my other one was dead. It was a cluster all night, and I kept forgetting to turn my GoPros off once I came off the track. So live you learn. So it's about this time. I'm running about 15 pounds oil pressure, full throttle. Car's 235, 240, and moving ever so slightly up. Smoke's starting to come out of the car. Probably should be pulling off, but it's hard to tell a racer to get off the track, under green especially. So I'm just trying to nurse it, although I am trying to drive the piss out of this thing. I skipped a little bit of the race just to not force you to watch the same repetitive lap after lap. Kind of catching these guys out right, and then I'm an idiot right there. Instead of just going hammering past it, I slow down thinking it's a yellow. Of course it's not. The yellow does eventually come out, which was actually well needed because my car was done. 245 and 10 pounds of oil pressure, so I needed to get off the track and live to fight another day. That is going to conclude the video. I did want to update you guys on kind of the situation that was going on. We were down 1 to 2 cylinders pretty much all night long. I know this class doesn't have as much power as the late models that I'm used to, but definitely we're down a couple cylinders, and unfortunately that's going to end the season there. So as you can see, or as you cannot see, my motor is no longer in the car. Pull that bitch out because it was being a jerk, and now it's at the engine builder, so should have it back. Actually, I don't even know when we're gonna have it back, but it'll be back in the car for next season. We plan on running Marysville for points, most likely, doing a little bit of traveling, going to like Stockton, Merced, maybe Nevada. I gotta talk to my wife about some of this stuff.
And then there's a travel series up in Oregon. It's a speed week. So might go to that, might not. I'm not really sure, but I appreciate you guys still watching some of these videos. I know there haven't been very regular. Like I said, I did hurt my back. Not making excuses, but didn't have any content to put out there. So, but that'll do it for the video. If you can, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and drop a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite YouTube channel is. I'm always looking for more car content or anything fun to watch. C-Boys TV, Cletus McFarland, those are my favorites. Don't miss an episode ever of those guys. So if you got a cool show you guys watch or something on YouTube or anything really, just drop a comment down below and let me know what it is, and I'll check it out. All right, I'll see you next time. Peace.